Hello, this video is going to walk through the steps required to complete data exercise 4. So as with our other exercises, we're going to download the instructions and the data file required to complete the assignment. And once you have received the instructions, you'll see that what we're doing now is a 2-independent sample t-test to compare means. And the research question we'll be examining is whether or not males and females spend different amounts of time surfing the internet. So our null is that they'll have equal means, and the alternative is that they will not. So we're going to open our file. We're going to do the analyze, compare mean, independent sample t-test. And for our grouping variables, variable will find the variable sex, and then specify groups 1 and 2. That's going to correspond to male and female respectively. And then we'll select our test variable www.min. So we'll go to our data file, analyze, compare means, independent sample t-test. And we want to sort this alphabetically. And in this case, I'm going to look at the variable names. And then I'm going to come down to sex, which is here. Okay, that's our grouping variable. We're going to define groups. Group 1 is 1 and group 2 is 2. Again, those are corresponding to male and female in the variable for sex. And then our test variable, keep going down, it's going to be one of the WWWs, and we're going to look at it in terms of minutes, so how much time they spend on the internet in minutes. And once everything is set up this way, we'll click OK. And here are the results. And so we see the group statistics and the independent samples test. There's the mean for each group, for instance. And then there's the result of our t-test. So I'll let you do the interpreting there. And you can copy and paste these directly into your report. Thanks for watching.